The life is awesome, and English plays a significant role in our personal life as well as professional life to make it better. Today, we will start with a mini story and we will say a topic. A mini story, and after it, I'll ask you some questions and you have to answer my questions. After asking my question, there will be some second of pause in which you will give me an answer. Then I'll give you a correct answer by which you will able to speak fluently and your hesitation will remove. It will sound like as good as you are talking to someone. Your complaint there's no one to talk with will vanish. So guys, let's start the fun. Hey guys, I welcome you on my channel Indian English Learners. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Here I am gonna start the story. You have to give just a simple and easy answer, not the complex one. So here we go. There was a guy named Peter. He was too mischievous. He always got last rank in his class. Who was the boy? Peter. Peter was the boy. The boy was mischievous or shy. He was too mischievous. Did he got first rank in the class? No, he didn't get first rank in the class. He got always last rank in the class. Who was mischievous? Peter. Peter the boy was mischievous. He didn't want to go to school. One day, due to the pandemic COVID-19, the government announced all the school will remain closed for 3 months. By listening this, the Peter became too happy. Who became happy? Peter. The boy Peter became happy. Does Peter like to go to school or not? No, he didn't like to go to school. As he was a mischievous guy and got always last rank in the class, he didn't want to go to school. What was the name of pandemic? COVID-19. It was COVID-19. The name of pandemic was COVID-19. Was the disease named diarrhea? No, it wasn't diarrhea. It was COVID-19. The pandemic COVID-19. For how many months the government announced to close the schools? For 3 months. For 3 months, the government announced to close the school. In this 3 months of free time, he decided to practice for English speaking and got a channel named Indian English Learners. What have he decided? He have decided to speak English fluently or to learn how to speak English fluently. Which channel did he get to practice for English speaking? Indian English Learners. It was the name of channel by which he started to practice for English speaking. After a couple of months with his consistent practicing, he was able to speak English fluently and confidently. This is the end of this mini story. If you are a beginner, try to listen it up to 10 times, or you are an intermediate level, then you can listen it up to 3 to 4 times to improve your English. As you know, for the written practice, you have to train your hands. For understanding the things, you have to train your mind. In the same manner, for the English speaking practice, you have to train your mouth. Keep practicing and join our channel for more updates and more videos like this. If you are feeling any discomfort, any problem, please comment me. I'll try to improve it because this channel is only for you. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.